Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. We're seeing that a huge golden cross is about to form for Dogecoin on the 2-day chart, guys. So we're going to be talking about that, what impact that could have on Dogecoin. We're also going to be talking about Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is kind of like going down. We are seeing that right now the altcoins are starting to pump a little bit. But also, guys, when we talk about Dogecoin, it looks like we're seeing a lot more leverage happening on Doge right now, and you guys have to stop it. If you guys are leverage trading on Doge, stop it right now. Stop it. It's not good, guys. So, guys, don't forget to smash the likes and show some love for the OG, guys. And I would appreciate if you would subscribe, share this content, share this knowledge with everybody. Here, we're not shilling, we're not selling everything. It's not selling anything out there. And remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own freaking homework. It's so important you do that. Don't listen to me. Do not buy anything until you do all the research that you need to make yourself feel comfortable. And remember, never ever, use money. Never invest money that you can't be willing to lose. Because remember, cryptocurrency is highly speculative, and there's a big chance that you could lose everything like that. So be careful out there. Diversification is the key, guys. Don't forget to go back and watch all my other freaking videos, guys, out there. So let's jump into what's going on out there in terms of pre-markets. The pre-markets are looking a little bit gnarly. We're seeing that we're probably going to see a bit of a tank today for the broader markets. Right now, crypto at time of recording here in Asia is a mixed bag. We are seeing that Bitcoin is only down about 0.39%. I'm hoping by the time you're watching this that things will start to improve. But Dogecoin right now, if we take a look at Dogecoin is not looking good, not looking healthy right now. Dogecoin is down about minus 2.39%. A lot of that had to do with also we have the Doge 1 delay that's been confirmed out there. So that's going to be happening sometime in February 2024. So that's also put the brakes on. Also, we're seeing that a lot of longs are getting wrecked. We're going to be talking about a 1-hour Hunter Wick that wiped out a whole bunch of longs for Dogecoin as well. So things are not looking too good right now for Dogecoin. But overall, don't worry. This is just in the shorter time frame, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes and don't forget to smash 111 if you love the OG out there. So far, Bitcoin is down. Still up for the week, though. Ethereum is down 1.3%, but up for the week, almost 1.92. But we could lose some of these gains, guys. I'm kind of like, I'm hoping by the time you're watching this that things will start to pump, things will start to gain out there. But BNB is doing pretty good. XRP is up 0.5%. Solana is up 2.95% at $77. Wow. So if you guys had followed what I did about a month ago when I bought Solana at $51, you guys would be up like crazy right now. So hopefully you didn't miss that one. I still think that Solana has a lot of room to grow. I think we're going to see a lot more positiveness for Solana coming pretty soon, guys. I really believe that's going to happen. Avalanche is also up right now, 3.84%, so that is pretty good, even though most of the crypto is kind of just up a little bit, but we're seeing that Solana and Avalanche are still going crazy out there. And remember, both these blockchains have their own meme. They have they have Bonk as well, and Bonk's going nuts as well. So, guys, look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is down 2.31%. It's really disappointing. It's getting really sad. Even Shiba Inu is down as well. So it looks like the king of the memes is getting kicked in the can by the other altcoins, particularly Solana. Solana is on fire right now. We're seeing the total market cap is about 1.6 trillion, down slightly, almost neutral compared to where it was in the last 24 hours out there. So I'm not too worried about it. We're seeing DXY is neutral as well, forming a bit of an inverse bearish flag out there. So that's what's happening with that. But Bitcoin has gone through this breakout to bullish pennant pattern right now. So we're seeing that if we take a look at a Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart right now, we're seeing that there's a nice pennant pattern that's forming. It's following as an upward trend line. We could actually see a breakout to the upside right now. We did have a breakout. We did have a retest. Right now we are retesting this structure, and hopefully that with the Bitcoin, we will we retest it here. We're bouncing again. Hopefully we will bounce to the upside and continue and not have a reversal. I'm a little bit worried about we could see a reversal. If we take a look at the EMA ribbons right now, we can still see that Bitcoin right now, let me just close that up. Bitcoin right now is just gingerly above the EMA ribbons on the 4-hour. If we take a look at Bitcoin on the daily right now, let's go to the day, see what's going on with that. we can see that Bitcoin right now on the daily is above the EMA ribbon. So that is good. Longer time frame is looking more and more healthy for Bitcoin. We're also seeing a nice pen and pattern as well. Hopefully that, we will go up and break out of this structure. Otherwise, we could be going down out there. Looks like, Michael says his spot ETF, the spot Bitcoin, bond, OG on the head. Spot Bitcoin ETF is the biggest thing on Wall Street in the last 30 years. And I really believe that, in my opinion, that either January or March, we're going to see the spot ETF. We're going to see a lot of capital flowing into Bitcoin. And we're going to see that, investment advisory as well will be able to invest in Bitcoin. And they've got a ton of capital out there, guys. So that's all I got to say about that. It's looking fairly obvious that things are going to be going up. Now, Mags is saying that we could be seeing 44,250. Bitcoin is trading inside this range, and this range is between 44,250 and 40,759. Now, I still believe that we had this double bottom. We could see a reversal, but we have to wait and see. We could see things go down. But price is currently holding above the mid range, which is pretty good. And if we can hold significantly above this mid range, which is 42439, then we will bounce up to the upside. If we cannot hold the mid range, then we'll definitely bounce to the downside, and that's going to be nasty in the house, guys. It's going to be nasty. Things could go as low as 38,000. And like I said in my previous video, do you own one Bitcoin? And we can see the number of addresses that own more than one Bitcoin is going higher and higher, guys. Keep in mind that BTC, it's looking fine if we can break out of this pen and pattern. We've seen the RSI is breaking to the upside. The Starch RSI is also looking good. We could see a breakout, guys. We could definitely see a breakout take us above 48,000. But like I said, we need to stay above this mid channel right here. If we don't stay above this mid channel, we could collapse it down, down, guys. So that is pretty good. We did talk about that. Justin Galaxy Digital CEO says spot Bitcoin ETF will be approved before January 10th. I hope he's freaking right. Guys and gals out there. So if you take a look at what's going on right now with the leverage, we are seeing that the wreckage right now, we're seeing a lot of let me just adjust that for it. Don't forget to smash. Dogecoin 111. We're seeing that basically a lot of the longs are getting wrecked right now, so that is not good. We're seeing that Dogecoin right now on the 2-day chart. We're seeing a little bit of a pen and pattern happening as well. We're seeing a bit of a drop down. We're seeing that we're about to form a golden cross here. This golden cross is going to happen pretty soon, and every time we see this golden cross, we often see this kind of thing happening. We often see that the golden cross, we could see a quick dip before we have a huge takeoff. So if you take a look at JD in the house is talking about it, and basically what's going on, the King of Bitcoin, beautiful chart structure. Dumb money calls it a shit coin because they got wrecked. Buying the hype, don't be dumb money. So golden cross is approaching right here, right now. You can see it, and you can actually see it in the chart here. There's a golden cross approaching, and what that means to you and me out there is that last time it dipped 23 to 39% after cross before it moon, guys. So we can see here that we did have a golden cross. We did see the dip. We did see a 39% dip, and then after the 39% dip, we did see a 370x in, guys. So here we had a 23% dip. Then we could see a 62x in 10 months, guys. So that's not too shabby. Also in 10 months. So let's see what happens. Let's keep an eye on that out there. We're also seeing that a lot of leverage yesterday on the 19th. We're seeing a lot of leverage longs on Dogecoin got wrecked, and that is why we had this whole Hunter Wick situation here. We had this Hunter Wick on the hourly, and that wiped out a lot of the longs, guys. We're seeing a lot of longs. We're seeing the market makers going after the longs. They want to kind of take liquidity because there's a lot of liquidity above the current pricing, and basically the market makers want to take down Dogecoin so they can start to fill these higher buys, guys. So they need more liquidity in the market. So that's what's going on with that out there, guys. So do not be surprised if we see a bit of a more dumpage on Dogecoin. But JD seems to expect similar fireworks around the same time we saw it before out there. So that is pretty good out there. So guys, let's see what happens. Big shout out to JD, my man. Much love out there, JD, if you're watching this video out there. We love you, bro. Also, Dogecoin, it's a good Dogecoin. It's a good Dogecoin. It's a beautiful Dogecoin. We love it. You love it. We're seeing right now that the total market cap right now is at about 12.85 billion, and we're seeing that the volumes are also light, guys. Light out there. It's getting pretty nice. It's getting pretty gnarly out there, guys. And don't forget, if you got a crypto on a centralized exchange, get off there, get a hardware wallet. I would appreciate it. So that's about all I got. This is a quickie update, guys. Don't forget to go follow me on my Twitter. Right now, we got we're getting pretty close to about 10,000. We're closer to 10,000 than we are to 8,000. So, guys, don't forget to follow. I would appreciate it, guys. Be well. Be blessed. Boss on the head, guys. That's all I got. Peace out.